fucking under arrest.
Why? I gave up. What is y'all doing? I gave up. What is y'all doing this for?
Hey, young girl, I don't understand what's going on. I don't know. This is my first time.
Stop talking and listen.
Anything like this.
That's
okay,
it.
but I'm talking to him, not you.
You're
okay?
just talking. You're not listening.
Exactly, to him.
On February 25th, 2025, Westlake police responded to a stolen vehicle alert, leading them straight to a man's private property. But instead of catching the real suspect, officers ended up arresting the wrong person. Despite his daughter desperately trying to explain the situation, officers refused to listen. Their aggressive, dismissive, and unprofessional approach only made things worse. Later, they realized their mistake, but by then, the damage had been done. Did officers rush to judgment without cause? Did they violate this man's rights? Let's take a closer look at how this all unfolded.
Okay, we're trying to sort this out. Get over here. The car is...
I got Leslie.
Come on over here and talk to me then. Come over here and talk to me. Come over here and talk to me. Keep your hands up. Get over here now. It's all we know right now. Dude, this is not your fucking turn.
No, you don't get to make
the car's showing stolen. Get the fuck over here. I don't give a fuck. It's not listed to here. Step over here now. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. You are under arrest right now.
For what?
For obstruction.
Of what?
Get over here. I'm done explaining it. Get over here. Nope, get over here. These are not your rules. These are our fucking rules. Get over here. Then come over here and talk to me about it. If you keep your hands up and talk to me, then I will, but I'm not coming out from behind this car.
Stop arguing with us and just listen.
I got guns on my kid at my house.
Okay, well, we don't know anything about this. All we know is it's stolen. It's not to here. Get over here and talk to me then.
Just get over here.
You're under arrest. It's fucking clear.
Get over here.
Get the fuck over here. You're under arrest. I'll tell you in a minute. I said obstruction. Get over here.
Prepare to make the arrest.
Get over here.
You got hands?
Get over here. You're under arrest. Get over here.
You got a third.
Get the fuck over here. You're under arrest.
What are you doing with the gun out?
We don't put guns away for stolen autos. Get over here.
Get the fuck over here. You want to get hit with a 40 millimeter? I'm not fucking coming up.
Why y'all got them guns?
Listen to us.
You want to get hit with this? Get the fuck
Listen to us.
Get fucking whacked with this.
Turn around and just walk backwards. Start listening.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Why? I gave up. What is y'all doing? I gave up. What is y'all doing this for? Why is they doing this?
Because
Why is they doing this? Why they doing this?
The car is listed as stolen.
It's my daughter's car. She's in the
It's
car.
still listed as stolen.
But why is they doing this?
confirmed
I
it's
gave
stolen.
up. Why is y'all doing this? But why is you doing this? Why is you doing all this? I gave up. Why is you doing all this?
Because you're still fucking titsing your
I can talk. I can talk. I can talk. Y'all doing too much.
Is there a child in the car?
No.
Is the car
It's
empty?
her car, man.
Is anybody in the car right now? Anybody in the car?
Cleveland said it was still stolen 3 fucking minutes ago.
Okay, it's her car, dude.
Okay, well maybe it is. But when we fucking tell you to do something,
Whatever,
you fucking do it.
Whatever. We got it on tape.
5-7, we got one in custody.
Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn around. You're fucking under arrest. You're fucking tense up.
Why?
For obstruction.
What are y'all doing? You got him? I gave up. What are y'all doing?
Fucking relax.
Why is they doing this? Shut the fuck back. Why they doing this?
Stay there. Record all you want, but get the fuck out of my way.
In the car. But why is they doing this? I gave up. Why is y'all doing this? But why is he doing this? Why is he doing all this?
Back up or you're under
I
arrest.
gave up. Why is he doing all this?
You're still fucking tensing your
I can talk.
You can go over there with her.
I can talk. Y'all doing too much.
Back up.
No. It's her car, man.
Anybody in the car right now?
How do you think
Anybody in the car? Cleveland said it was still stolen 3 fucking minutes ago.
Okay, it's her car, dude.
Okay, well maybe it is. But when we fucking tell you to do something,
Whatever,
you fucking
man.
do it.
Whatever. We got it on tape. We got it on tape.
Hey, so do
Y'all got
we.
guns out at the house, and it's our house, man.
I don't give a fuck.
That's unnecessary,
It
dude.
doesn't list to this house.
Damn, man, that's crazy. That's the
You're under arrest or
problem.
something else.
That's the problem with y'all, man. Racist motherfuckers, man.
They're good.
Every time, man. Y'all can't never be civil, man. We is the citizens. Why y'all can't come talk? Why y'all gotta have guns out?
You want me to explain it to you? I'll try one more time.
Look at him. Look at crazy, man.
It doesn't list to this residence. Cleveland just.
It doesn't matter. It's her in the car, and I'm telling y'all that. Y'all
Do we know who the fuck's in the car? No, we don't know anything. It doesn't list here. Cleveland just confirmed it was stolen.
Put your gun away. Why we can't talk? Why
It's a stolen car, and you were not cooperating.
So even if it was a stolen car, that means people gotta die?
No, this is my first
stop
time
talking and listen.
anything like this.
That's
okay,
it.
but I'm talking to him, not you.
You're just talking.
Okay,
You're not listening.
exactly, to him.
The young girl is trying to explain the situation better for the officers to understand, but the officers are being dismissive and getting frustrated. What should the cops do better to resolve this?
Me and him are having a conversation.
So stop and listen.
Okay, I'm telling you that I'm scared.
I understand
I'm at home. I was about to leave out to go hang out with a friend. That's it. That's it.
So now are you going to listen?
I'm listening. I have not done anything wrong.
Stop talking.
Exactly. Okay.
Stop talking.
Why can't we just talk like normal people?
I'm trying to talk to you.
Okay.
You keep talking.
Let's
We're the
talk.
ones that are doing this, so let us explain it to you.
Okay, let's talk.
The car is still reported stolen according to CPD
Okay.
as of 10 minutes ago.
Right.
So we called them. So as far as we're concerned, that is a stolen car, which is
Okay.
why we are doing what we are doing.
Okay,
If
but
he would have shut his mouth and cooperated and come over and talked to us like a civilized person instead of trying to run the show from his front porch, this wouldn't have happened
he's
this
done
way.
nothing wrong.
He has done something
What
wrong.
has
When
he
the
done
police
wrong?
tell you to do something, you listen, and then we sort it out when we make sure everything is safe.
Okay,
we
but
don't
we
know
could've done
you.
that.
We don't know
And
him.
we don't know you. Just
We're
like
the police. This is our job.
But you're still a human being at the end of the day, and so is he, and so am I.
So then if you
Y'all
just
have
cooperate,
weapons pointed at us. Exactly.
And if you
How are we
cooperate-
supposed to not be afraid? We're literally scared.
Because
I'm shaking
you
right now.
follow instructions.
Okay, and we're listening to that.
If
He's
you weren't
literally
listening to
he's yelling and telling y'all this is her car, this is my vehicle.
can't see
that
you.
car is in my name. I will show you ID and show you everything that you need to know.
and we can't see you in the car.
Okay.
We don't know him.
Okay, and I
So
understand
once
that.
we make sure everything is safe,
But
then
when
we
I
have
got
this
out the
conversation.
car and all I seen was weapons pointed at me, I was
understand.
scared.
I understand all
the
that.
car was reported stolen. I understand all of that. I went to the police station today to let them know that I have recovered the car.
And none of this would have happened this way
Exactly.
if he would have just cooperated, walked over to us, explained calmly,
But you
that's
guys
my
were
daughter,
aggressive
and then when
just
we
like
tell
you said
you,
that.
and then
He
when
stood
stop
there and
talking,
said, that's my daughter, this is her house.
yeah, but we can't see you.
Okay.
So then we tell you to get out of the car, and you don't get out of the car. We
I
can't
didn't
see
hear you say that.
Well, that's why this happened.
Exactly,
This way.
I didn't hear you. I was scared. The first thing I did was call my father. I don't know. I don't deal with the police. I'm only 19 years old.
So,
I'm
again,
new to all of
if
this.
he would have
Okay,
calmly
and he said,
cooperated,
and he said,
he would have been
this
fine.
is her car.
Yep.
This is her car. Y'all still have weapons pointed at us. I am terrified right now. You know what they do to black people?
Until we
But do
see.
you understand why I'm scared? You can literally see
I've
my
already-
hands are shaking.
I've
I
already-
am scared.
I've already told you. I understand why you're
Okay,
scared.
and I
I've already
understand that.
explained all that.
I understand
I'm
everything
telling
that
you
you're saying.
that
I
it went-
understand that the car was reported stolen. You called the Cleveland police and all of that. I understand all of that, but that doesn't change how I feel. Like,
I
I'm
understand
scared
how
right
you-
now. Like, that is crazy.
But
I'm
you need
literally
to
at my
understand.
house. This is horrible.
You need-
I'm only 19 years old. Like, this is stupid.
You need to understand
Mhm.
that this went this way because he did not cooperate, and you did not cooperate when we were told to get out of the car. You
I
said
didn't
you
hear you. I did
okay,
not.
fine. That still would have been resolved if he would have calmly walked over when he
I
was
didn't
told
hear
to.
you. I didn't hear
and
him.
we could have identified him, explained what was going on, and then we could have walked up to the car and
Okay, but
talked.
all we seen was weapons. How are you supposed to act
Because this
normal
is-
like that? If somebody was pointing a gun at you, would you? Oh, it's okay, it's fine.
It's not
No, you
somebody,
would
it's the
not.
police.
I don't care if it was a gangbanger across town.
Well, that's where
that
the
doesn't
disconnect's
make
going to be.
sense.
What did the officer mean by this comment? Comment down below your thoughts so far and subscribe.
I can't fix
I don't
that.
care about nothing.
We're
I
not
don't
gonna-
care. I really don't.
Okay. Well, we're not gonna change the way we operate because we
Okay,
operate with
I
everybody's
understand that,
safety
but if
in
he
mind.
comes out like this, why are y'all just still pointing weapons at him?
Because he's not
He
listening.
said, "This is my daughter's car."
Guns were not pointed at him. Guns
Yes,
were
they
drawn.
were.
Guns were drawn,
Okay, but still, this is.
and all it takes is cooperation
Okay.
and compliance. This problem does not happen.
So, just to let you know, the car was listed as stolen,
I know, and they went and took care of it to have that taken off the stolen car register.
but they didn't. So we contacted Cleveland even before anything, and they said it's still listed as stolen.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what we go off of. So it's still listed as stolen. Okay. So when we come up here and we don't get compliance for stolen auto, we have to escalate a little bit.
But all them guns just for a stolen car?
Well, if you know what's going on with these stolen cars, they're stealing them, they're using them in shootings constantly. When we get them back, they're full of bullet holes. So yeah, we don't mess around when it comes to stolen autos. But guns are out. Guns are not pointed at people, right? There's a big difference. But I say so.
Yeah, we got a tow truck coming.
It's her car.
Oh, it is? Okay.
This is my car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Relax. Hold on. Relax.
Y'all are horrible people. Y'all are horrible.
Terrible.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Good. You should probably contact Cleveland and get it taken out. Oh, yeah.
It's crazy. Y'all was ready to shoot my kid, man. Y'all is crazy. Ridiculous. This ridiculous, man. Y'all out of pocket, man. Y'all is out of pocket, man. Y'all ain't never gonna stop this shit either. Y'all gonna keep doing it. Violating people. All y'all had to do was check, y'all would have seen, man. This is ridiculous.
It doesn't list to this resident.
It doesn't matter. It's her in the car, and I'm telling y'all that, and y'all still pointing guns.
No, we don't know anything. It doesn't list here. Cleveland just confirmed.
So why not put your gun away? Why we can't talk? Why y'all gotta point gun? What that means? Because it's so even if it was a stolen car, that means people gotta die. Y'all gotta shoot people because it's a stolen car.
Did we shoot anybody?
Y'all got guns pointed at us. You wanted to. You wanted to. You definitely wanted to. You said it. You said you want to shoot it. A 40 what? A 40 what? Y'all said that, dude. Yes, yes. You said it. You want to shoot me, dude. We just left there, dude.
Well, Cleveland still has it as stolen.
I'm suing y'all. I'm suing all y'all. This ridiculous.
I don't give a shit.
Yep. I hope that's on your body camera.
Sure is.
Yep. You don't give a shit about nobody here, do you? None of us. Damn person here. Non-citizen here, you don't care about us. Can you make sure I get everybody's name and badge that was there?
Yeah, I'll be on the report. No worries.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is what America looks like now, man. Y'all crazy. Y'all outrageous, man.
As far as the car goes, the person who was in the vehicle is the registered owner. She retrieved the vehicle today for last night. It should no longer be in her stolen. They claim they already stole it.
Conversation is all it would have took.
Listen, so I'll try.
That's crazy,
I'll
right?
try to explain it to you politely. We called Cleveland.
You got a gun on my daughter, dude.
I don't know who's in the car. The car.
And I'm telling you, it's her. You don't want to talk.
I don't know who you are.
But you don't want to
Do you want to
talk.
talk over me? Or do you want me to explain to you?
I can talk. I can speak.
Do you want me to explain it?
Explain it. Make it make sense to me.
So the car doesn't list to your house, right?
Okay.
It lists to a house in Cleveland.
Okay.
We called Cleveland 10 minutes prior to contacting you guys.
Okay.
And confirmed it was stolen.
Okay.
So as far as we know, the car is stolen and the owner does not have it.
Okay. That's as far as you know. There's a guy talking to you, telling you not to point the gun at his daughter that's in the
I
car.
don't know who you are.
But I'm right there telling you to put the gun away. It's so easy to put the gun away. That's the problem. The problem is the gun, sir. Everything else was okay. I didn't mind y'all being there. I was happy y'all was there to get the situation under control, but why you have to have the gun? You pointing guns at
Can
people.
I explain to you why? Okay, you're yelling. You're saying I pointed the gun. Can I explain to you why? At that point,
I don't want to talk. You think it's cool that you did it. After I told you that was us, and you still pointed it. And you still threatened me. You still made threats to me, and I'm telling you.
All right, buddy.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm done explaining.
You don't want to talk. Now you want to talk because y'all was wrong. That's crazy. Nobody's apologetic. Nobody gives a fuck. And you said it in the car. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all. You said it. You said that. You said that to me. It's recorded, dude. I'm gonna request all of this. It's going right on YouTube so people can see how y'all get down, man. That's crazy. That's unnecessary, man. Y'all could have killed us, and y'all don't care. Y'all do not care. Y'all don't care. You could have just killed me and my daughter, dude, and you don't give a fuck. You said it. And it's recorded, dude. Yes, that's what I love. Be honest at least. That's what I like. Honesty. I respect that about you, if nothing else.
Come on out.
In the end, they arrested Herman Carpenter for obstructing official business, something so wild and untrue. But officers escalated the situation, detained him, and ignored explanations. He was ultimately arrested despite the confusion. Was this just a complete mistake or outright abuse of power? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before I have to charge you with resisting arrest next. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.